welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman, and thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today, we have a wonderfully fresh, acidic drink. You may think it's from Mexico. We actually have no idea where it's from. Let's learn how to make a margarita infused with THC. So the first thing you'll need is a rocks glass, and we're gonna rim it with a lime wedge. Then of course, you need your salt. I think today we'll add a little bit of CBD to our rimmer, some CBD isolate. And then go ahead and get a nice coating of salt the whole way around the rim. And then we're gonna pour in ice, making sure not to take off any of that salt. 3 or 4 cubes is perfect. Awesome, and then we start building the cocktail. So, in our mixing glass, I'm gonna start with lime juice, and I'm gonna do about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of lime. I'm using 1.5 limes for this. If you're pre-prepping, 1.5 to 2 ounces. But you should get that out of 1.5 limes, or 1 big juicy lime. There's that. And then for the fun ingredients. So today I have a wonderful new tequila from Bandista's Tequila. This is a premium silver tequila invented by Linus Daniels, straight out of Tequila, Mexico. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful stuff. So I'm gonna do 2 ounces today of tequila. How we have it infused is with our THC distillate infused simple syrup. If you haven't learned how to make this, go click on the card now and you'll be able to learn. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of simple syrup, and then about 2/3 of an ounce of Cointreau. You can also use triple sec if you'd like. Perfect. Ice into our shaker tin. Pour our mixture over top, and then it's everybody's favorite part, the shake. When you start to see the frost or the condensation develop, that's when you know you're done. Ooh, there we go. We'll take our strainer into our glass, again making sure not to touch the salt. Right to the rim, perfect. And a single lime wedge is the perfect garnish for your marijuana margarita. So, if you'd like to do a CBD infused rim and a THC infused drink, this is exactly how you have a classic. I hope you enjoy. Until next week, cheers!